High pressure parts assemble. First, insert the plunger gasket. There is no requirement on the front and back. The flat surface in water is okay. Second, ceramic rod assembly. Notice choose the longer spring. When tightening, make sure that the sleeve cannot exceed the plane of the plunger nut, and the torque is 30 Newton meter. Bearing seat assembly. There is a hole on the cylinder. Put it at the bottom place. Seal seat assembly. High pressure cylinder assembly. There is a hole. Put the small hole direction at the bottom place. Sleeves assembly. Use shorter spring for sleeves. Install it. Tap it when you put it in. If it pops up fluently, it means installation is correct. After finish the above, next you need to install the screws. Now install the screws. Slowly increase the force of the torque wrench, starting from 100 Newton meter for the first time. Then adjust to 120 Newton meters and continue to tighten the screws. Measure the direct clearance between the high pressure cylinder and the bearing seat. Adjust to 140 Newton and continue to tighten the screws. Adjust to 160. The gap measurement standard, no more than 5 decimillimeters up and down or left and right for each cylinder. Finally, adjust to 180 Newton. Standard gap size is 5 decimillimeters.